Wala pa pong best actress, supporting actress, actor pa lang po ang bibigyan po gagawaran. Pagkatapos po ng best supporting actor, supporting actress, tuloy-tuloy na po yan hanggang sa pinakamataas best director. Okay po. Antabay lang po mga sir, mga ma'am.
Rocky Salumides in Junior Will Never Die.
Pa-share na lang po ng live natin. Maraming salamat po. At saka papalo na rin po sa mga gustong pumalo. Thank you po.
Ang nagamit ng FAMAS Best Supporting Actor Award para sa kamito ay walang iba kundi si
Sid Lucero!
Member of the board.
Best supporting actor, Sid Lucero.
Okay, this is definitely a surprise. First of all, I want to thank FAMAS for inviting me over to be here. It's an even greater honor to be nominated and to stand at the same stage.
Opo, nandito po siya. Nandito po si Nadine. Pagka lumabas sa room niya, kukuha ng kagad natin. Kanina nandito po siya. Sa isang live ko po, tingnan niyo po yung naputol. Dito po siya nakaupo sa harap ng...
It was one of the best decisions I've ever made in my life. This is so strange because when we did the movie, we just wanted to have fun and do it. I wasn't expecting something like this, especially coming from one of the most prestigious award-giving bodies in the country. There's only a few I actually attend. I'm never going to be absent at this one, ever. I guess I'll take this time to honor people behind me, and I've never said this before. So I guess it's about time. I'm dedicating this to the one and only person who's been with me from the very beginning, Sid Lucero. Ricky Gallardo, thank you for everything. This is for you.